Our buy recommendation is a CSL Limited done by Huong, and the sell recommendation is an Apple done by C. As the management portfolio presentation, we will start. The, the content is like 6 steps. NVIDIA done by LAN. NVIDIA copies an American technology company that is well known for designing and manufacturing computer hardware. The war in Ukraine hardly affects them because for below reason. I done by Harvey Norman. Harvey Norman is an Australian retail company who selling manufactured products. They hardly affect the Ukrainian war for below reason. And the investment this is done by will presented by the LAN.
Our group investment thesis is about the war in Ukraine. Ukraine is an important exporter of gas to Europe and the world's biggest wheat producer. If the war continues, it causes significant uncertainty and volatility in the energy and agriculture markets, which finally leads to fluctuation in the stock prices. Furthermore, it can affect safe assets such as gold or government bonds by decreasing the confidence of them. Ukraine war can lead to increased volatility and uncertainty in the financial markets. However, the effects of war can bring beneficial effects to some and many industries as well.
Today I present you the buy recommendation of CSL. CSL Limited is a global biotechnology company focused on innovative biotherapies that save lives and enhance public health. In the event of World War III, CSL could benefit from the increased demand for medical products like blood products, vaccines, and antibodies. The global presence and market reach also enable them to expand and respond quickly to changing demands. Looking ahead to the next 5 years, CSL is expected to have a promising plan with an estimated annual sales growth of 13%. This positive sales momentum is projected to continue until 2033, driven by the company's robust research, development activities, and strategic market expansion efforts. Based on our analysis, we anticipate that by the year 2033, which is 10 years from now, CSL's share price could reach $481.14, signifying a substantial increase of roughly 59% compared to its current traded price. This valuation is derived using a discount rate of 4.92% and a terminal growth rate of 2%. The risk-free rate is derived from the Australian 10-year government bond, while the market risk premium is sourced from the survey of SSRN. Now we move on to the sell recommendation with Phuong Lei.
Thanks, Huong. Today I'll provide insight into a significant financial strategy, why it's advisable to sell our Apple stock during the current Russia-Ukraine conflict. Our team used our proprietary valuation models to determine which stocks are worth investing in. Apple designs, manufactures, and markets high-end consumer electronics and software. Apple market cap exceeded $2 trillion in May of 2023, showing strong growth. Our analysis suggests that the war in Ukraine may hurt Apple's global supply chains, even though the price was raised almost 30% this year. The discounted cash flow method estimated $166.47 per share. According to the data, the company is fairly valued or slightly overvalued at $167.63. Revenue growth estimates for next year range from 7.79% to 11.13%. EBIT margin has increased from 25.49% in 2020 to 30.95% in 2022, while EBITDA margin has stayed between 30 to 33%. Disruption to its product components can delay products releases and raise costs. My model estimated Apple value is $100, down 21%. Apple operates in Russia and Ukraine. The escalating conflict could disrupt Apple's operation in these countries, affecting sales and profits. Apple's business may also be affected by economic downturns and government policy changes. Regulations may change as nations take sides. These changes may hinder Apple's efficiency. A prolonged conflict may also lower consumer sentiment, which will lead to lowering Apple's product demand. I'll pass it on now to Jane for our conclusion.
Thanks, C. So in this lesson, we recommend CSL to buy and Apple to sell. Thank you.